Grow up, man. You know, like my mom always told me, and I'm sure yours did as well, a hard head make a soft behind. Why must you learn the hard way? This is not the 90s. This is not boys will be boys. Even if you think that's okay to do, you are Ezekiel Elliott, the all-world rookie running back of the Cowboys. Everybody's watching you. Everybody's got a camera nowadays. And everybody knows, or most people that follow the league know, that you're under investigation still for domestic violence. Now, it is important not to connect these two things, because one cannot determine or deduce that he is somehow more guilty of what he's being accused of in Ohio because of what we saw yesterday. I don't think you can make that. That's not fair to make that leap. It doesn't look good. It's certainly something that the league is going to take into consideration when you want to talk about a pattern or mitigating circumstances or whatever. But we shouldn't say because X, then Y is the same. That said, ultimately, I'm not calling him stupid, but that's what we used to call stuck on stupid. Well, because there's no reason to do that. If y'all are that close and you're that comfortable, get a room. Right. If you know her that well. But doing that in public, come on, man, what are you doing?
I agree with you, Mike, but disagree with you in terms of connecting the two incidents. Okay. One doesn't make him guilty for sure.
Sure.
But the pattern would be, is there an issue with how he treats and engages women? Okay?
There may be, but you can't deduce that by watching that video.
But again, here's the problem with that, is that if this is about perception, is that watching this video, there's a lot to be assumed and perceived based off his behavior. Because in part of this video, she is shooing him away, and he looks like a creep. Yes. Okay? And so while, again, you can be a creep and not necessarily hit women, I understand what you mean by that.
That's all I'm saying.
But it's just, is there a pattern of, in terms of behavior with women that's inappropriate?
He needs to check himself.